Welcome to this video on how to use the Rakuten affiliate marketing platform. In this video, we're going to look at managing placements and finding opportunities. To find out more about the Affiliate Marketing Advisor, you can pause the video here. Certain elements of this presentation have been redacted. So what you want to do on your main Rakuten platform is navigate to placements, which will action the drop-down for placement insights and marketplace. Placement insights are where you can manage paid placements you negotiate with affiliates. So for example, you can create a paid placement or you can bulk upload via an Excel file. If you are going to bulk upload via Excel file, just make sure the asterisk boxes are contained in that file for the create new placements. So when it creates new placements, where I've put create new placements, just make sure those asterisks are included in your bulk upload. Otherwise, you can do it manually via create new placement with the little drop down arrow. It will trigger the box on your right hand side. So you can either do an individual placement or a package. You can put in the publisher ID, select the relevant event, select the relevant cost. You can attach an insertion order if one has been provided and the IO number. It's just a great way of tracking any tenancy or prepaid media that you negotiate with affiliates. So the marketplace are where you can find great opportunities for your brand. As you can see, there are Business Insider, BuzzFeed, Ebates, Retail Minute, and others listed there. So the available placement type is there. So for example, for Business Insider, it's blog. So you can basically click and find out more about that. You can also filter by different events or different placement types, or you can actually run a search if you want to see what a particular affiliate has available. So that's as example, that's in the discovery menu campaigns where you'd manage any campaigns you have going on, and then you can view insertion orders, and also there's a profile option as well. Look in the bottom for campaigns, you can see there's no data because no campaigns live, for example. But I suppose what will be most useful is just having a search around the discovery just to see what opportunities there are for your brand, and then engaging with affiliates accordingly. So that's all for that. I'd appreciate a like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions.